Hello students, I am Neha Singh. Students, as you know, in civics we were doing chapter number 2 and the name of the chapter was Role of the Government in Health. Till now we have learned that government has provided certain facilities regarding health. Government is providing health centers in the villages. They have in the districts also. They are checking the health centers which are in the villages. It means that government is providing health facilities to each and everyone. The government is making sure that poor people or who are in the need of the health centers, health facilities, they should get. Nobody should be deprived of the health facilities. The person who is in need should get it properly. That's why the government has done a lot of things regarding the health of the people of India. But you know students, even though government has been doing so much regarding the health facilities, sometimes the facilities which the government is providing is not being received properly to the people for whom the government has made these health centers. Today we will discuss about the healthcare and the equality. If you remember, in the first chapter we have discussed about the equality, inequality, the rights, the regulations, our duties. Same way, in India there is some inequality, or some people are getting the facility not in proper manner. Let us discuss. So, what is the problem? Why people are not getting proper facilities even though the government has provided so many things? The first reason is the private sector. Why private sector? Because private sector, the private hospitals, the private clinics, they are very expensive. So only the people who can afford can get the treatment. The people who are not giving money, who are not able to pay their bills, they are deprived of it. And the question arises, why to go to the private one if the government is providing? The thing is that there are certain lacks. The main point is that even though the government has provided health centers in villages, there should be a check on those, whether the health centers are in a proper condition or not, whether the nurse is there or not, whether the doctor is there or not, whether they are working properly or not, or they are attending all the patients, whether they are discriminating or not, whether they are treating everyone equally or not. Moreover, we can check that they are charging not much now. It should be according to the rule made by the government. So these are some of the points that the people are suffering and they are not getting the proper medical facilities. One another point to be discussed is the unavailability. Why people are getting so much ill, why they are falling sick, Some of the basic reason is that at some part of the people of the country, people are not getting proper clean drinking water. And you know, if you don't get clean drinking water, how many diseases you can suffer from. So, drinking clean water is a very basic thing to get. So, sometimes because the lack of safe drinking water, people are getting sick. Sometimes some people are not getting houses properly and they are living in open areas near the drains, near the lakes, their open place. So it also affects to their health. Sometimes the surrounding is not clean, proper treatment is not done to the wastage, it's open in area. Those things originate very big diseases, very major diseases. So people get affected by that and they fell sick. So government should make proper checkouts that people should get proper drinking water, proper housing, the environment should be neat and clean, all the wastage should be dumped properly, the drainage should be covered so that the diseases which originate with these things will be less. Moreover, waterlogging, when there is rain, the government should say that there is no waterlogging because with that a number of diseases increase and people gets affected by that. So, and as a result people get sick and the number of the patient increases. So this is also one of the points to be remembered. Students, till now I have discussed about the problems, why the people are getting ill, they are getting sick, what problems they are facing. Now we will discuss about what the government can do to rectify all these things. To some extent, the number of patients can be less. By doing what? Let us discuss one by one. The first one is the check of the health centers that the government have provided. It is basically for the villagers, the poor people who are earning less and they are living in the villages, they cannot afford the private ones and they cannot go to cities, big cities immediately. So the health center should be in a good condition, and moreover in villages discrimination happens. So it should be a check that discrimination should not happen regarding the health facilities. Everyone should get the health facility, whether the person is rich, poor, any caste, he is physically disabled, challenged. The person who is in need should get the facility. The second one is that in villages, also in urban areas, proper sanitization should be done. If it is not done properly, there will be problems related to health. So the government should check that proper sanitization is being done. The next one is the housing. If the people will get proper house, they will be at a place where they are not directly contacted with the open areas and they will be protected from rain, storm, all these, the open areas, all that. So housing should also be provided. These things will make the number less. Which number less? The patients, the people who are getting sick. Regarding these things, the number will definitely go down if the people will get all these facilities on time. Children, do you know that in 1996 the Kerala government gave 40% of the state budget to the panchayats? It is a huge percentage because from that the panchayats distributed the fund in such a manner that the people were getting good health facilities. They also got good education facility, and the budget was so much sufficient that the process of checking was also done very smoothly. Process of checking regarding the basic facilities, the checklist was made. It was made that whether everybody is getting the proper housing, proper drinking water, all these facilities were provided very properly. So that time, that year, they were giving proper facility, and at the end they came to know that this year everything went smooth. The number of patients got decreased. So in a way, if the government, the state government planned the budget properly to health and education and housing and everything in a systematic manner, then they can experience a positive thing regarding the health of the people. So students, I hope you have understood the topic and you have understood what our government is making, is taking decision, what is the government doing regarding the health care in our country. Children, please read the chapter once again and the worksheets also. Join the live classes so that you will be able to understand each and every point of the chapter. In the next session, we will meet with a new chapter. Till then, thank you.